Okay, we learned how to write the expand form of a number. Okay, up to fourth bit is completed. Writing the expanded forms of the given numbers. Fourth bit completed. Now open the textbooks and open fifth bit. Write the numerals for the following. Write the numeral. Numeral means nothing but a number you have to write. So expanded form is given in the questions. We have to write the numbers for that. Okay, what is fifth bit? Write the numeral for the following. Okay, first question. A. What is the first one? 1000 plus 40 plus 30 plus 1. 1000 plus 40 plus 30 plus 1. So that is given. First, observe here, thousands term is there. 1000, thousands term it is. 40 and 30. These two are 10 terms only, tens terms. These two tens only. Okay. Next one what? 1. 1 is 1 star. So write the numeral for that. Direct addition also you can do. Plus is there. So addition also you can do. But it is an expanded form. Write the number. What is in a thousands place means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How many thousands are there? Only 1000. So in thousands place what we have to write? 1. In thousands place we have to write 1. Next, hundreds. Are there any hundred mentioned in the question? No hundreds are there. So hundreds not there means what we have to write? 0. Okay. Next one, tens. How many tens are there? Here 40 means 4 tens. 30 means 3 tens. Total how much? 40 plus 30, 70. 70 means 7 tens are there. So in tens place what we have to write? 7. And last in ones place what we have? 1. Okay. So if you don't know like that, just do like this. 1000 is there. 1000 plus what? 40 plus 30 plus 1. Add 0, 0, 0 plus 1 how much? 1. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Again 0 and again 1. Okay, 1071. We got the same one. Okay, next one question is there. B. What is that? 3000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 7. 3000 600 80. 80 means what? 8 tens plus 7. 7 ones. So what is this number means what you can write? What is in thousands place? What is in thousands place means how many thousands are there here? 3000s. So 3 is in thousands place. Write 3. Next, what is in hundreds place? How many hundreds are there? 6. So 6 is in hundreds place. Next, in tens place, ones tens it is 80. 8 is in tens place, so 8. Next, 7 is in ones place, 7. 3687, that is the number. Okay. Similarly, write the next one. What is that? C is there. 9000 plus 40. 9000 plus 400. Sorry. 9000 plus 400. So what is the number we will get? Okay. thousands are there, hundreds are also there, but we don't have what tens and ones. So in the place of tens and ones, nothing is there, means what we have to write? Zeros we have to write. So in thousands, how many thousands are there? 9 thousands are there. So write 9 in thousands place. And next 4 hundreds, 4 in hundreds place. So in hundreds place write 4. But nothing is there in which places? Tens place and ones place. So what we have to write? 0, 0. So 9,400 rupees. Okay. Otherwise, already I said, if you add directly, you will get it. Next, in the same one, E bit problem is there. What is that means? 6,000 plus 4. What is the number? 6,000 plus 4 means how many thousands are there? 6. So 6 we have to write in which place? Thousands place you have to write 6. After thousands, next what? We have what? Hundreds place. Is there any hundred? Nothing is there. So write 0. Next tens. How many tens are there? Tens are also not there. So write 0. Again in ones place the 4 is there. So write 4. 6,004. That is the number. Okay. Similarly, there are two more problems. What are those? D. What is D? 2000 plus 70. This is D problem. And F. What is F? 7,000 plus 800 plus 3. These two problems I am leaving for yourself. Okay? Complete the two problems. By this exercise 1 completes. Exercise 1.2 completes. Now enter to exercise 1.3. So before discussing about exercise 1.3, we have to know one thing. What is that means? Comparing of numbers. Comparison. How we have to compare the numbers? Okay, till the second class we learned before number, after number, greatest number, smallest number, ascending order, descending order, less than, greater than symbols. These kind of things we already discussed. So comparison of numbers means that is all. What is comparison of numbers? Comparison of numbers means what we can say, a number, if we can say if two numbers are given, which is bigger or which is smaller. So identifying the largest numbers and smallest numbers, and we have to write them in an order, either increasing or decreasing, means in the ascending order or in the descending order. These kind of things undercomes which one? Comparing of numbers. Okay. So example, compare which one? 4,295 and 865. So which is the largest number here and which is the smallest number? That is we have to identify. How we can identify? Here this number has how many digits? 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. So there are 3 digits are there. 3 digits. And the next 1, 2, 3, 4. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So there are 4 digits are there. Okay, 3 digit number and 4 digit number. If there is a different number of digits like this, here 3 digits and these are 4 digits, different are there. So if there are different number of digits, then the maximum digits number is the greatest one. Maximum digits. Here 3 are there and here 4. Which is maximum? Which is more? Which is more means 4 digits is more. So this is the bigger number and this is smaller number. Okay. So what we can write? Always we can write this symbol. Means these two ends towards the bigger number. 4295 is greater than 865. Greater than. Okay, if you fold your left hand like this, you are getting this symbol. So this symbol is less than, left less. Okay, and if you fold the right hand like this, you are getting this symbol. It is greater than symbol. Okay, now. So 4-digit number is always less than a 3-digit. Always greater than a 3-digit number. Okay, if there are different number of digits, we can say directly if a number has more digit, then that is the greatest number. And next, if same digit numbers are given, example 8296, okay, and 6591, okay, which one is greater here? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So it has 4 digits. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It has also 4 digits. Same digits are there. So now what we have to do means observe from this side. What is the first number? 8. What is the first number in this? 6. In 8 and 6, which is bigger? Which is bigger? 8 is bigger. So this number is bigger than this one. Okay. So what we can write? Greater than symbol in between them. Next, one more number is given. What is that? 5428. 5428. Next, 5473. These are the two numbers given. Now which is bigger and which is smaller? How can we identify? Same number of digits, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, same digits are there. So observe from the first number. What is the first number here? 5, and here also we have 5. Both are same. Okay. Next, if they are same means go to other number. 4, and their second number is also 4. Same. So next go to other number. 2 and 7. These 2 and 7 are different here. 2 and 7 is different. So which is bigger in this? 7 is bigger. 2 is smaller. So this is smaller and this one is a bigger number. Okay, it is greatest number and it is the smallest number. So which symbol you have to write? This symbol you have to write. Greatest number has 2 ends towards it. Okay, these 2 ends towards which number? Greatest number. Okay, this is called as what? Comparison of numbers. Means in the given numbers we have to identify the bigger number and smaller number. That is the comparison. So okay, now in the comparing what we will get? Either write less than or greater than or equal symbol and arrange the numbers in ascending order or arrange the numbers in descending order and circle the greatest number and circle the smallest number. These kind of all problems will undercome. So which one? Comparison of numbers only. Now open exercise 1.3 from page number 14 and observe problems in that. What is first bit? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using less than, greater than or equal. Less than, greater than, this is equals to. Okay, what is the first problem given? A is 5769 and 782. What is the symbol we have to use? Which number is bigger in the both of them? It has 4 digits and this number has 3 digits. So which is bigger? This is bigger. So greater than symbol you have to use. Okay. Next B problem. 8,394, 7,873. Which is bigger in both of them? How can we identify? 4 digits and 4 digits same are there. Now observe the numbers from starting. 8 is the first number and 7 is the first number. Which is bigger? 8 is bigger. So what you have to write? This one you have to write. Okay. Right? Next problem. What is next one? C. 745, 1244. Sorry, 12,000, 1,244. 745, 1,244. Which is bigger number in this? Which is bigger number? This number has 3 digits. This number has 4 digits. Which bigger number means? 4 digit number is the bigger number. So this is bigger number. Which symbol you have to use? This symbol you have to use. Remember, these 2 ends always towards the bigger number only. Okay now. So like this, what you have to do? You have completed the first bit in exercise 1.3 in page number 12. Page number 14. Okay now.